Bahia Principe Luxury Esmeralda All-Inclusive sits in Arena Gorda on the Dominican Republic's eastern coast, and here's something most guests don't realize until they arrive. This property shares its beachfront with several other Bahia Principe resorts in the complex. That means your beach access is to Arena Gorda Sandy Beach, which stretches less than a tenth of a kilometer from the hotel and serves multiple properties. If you're picturing a private, secluded stretch of sand, adjust that mental image now. The beach is right there, practically at your doorstep, but you'll be sharing it with guests from neighboring resorts. This isn't necessarily a deal-breaker, but it changes the vibe considerably, especially during high season when the sand gets crowded. Knowing this up front helps you decide whether the all-inclusive package and proximity to the water outweigh the lack of exclusivity. The hotel is located in Sectio Bagua, Higi La Altagracia in the broader Bavaro and Punta Cana area, about a 31-minute drive from Punta Cana Airport. The property is managed by Bahia Principe, a brand with multiple resorts across the Caribbean and Latin America. While several unofficial sites describe the hotel as newly renovated, no official confirmation of the renovation year or original opening date appears in verified sources. The hotel markets itself as 5-star, though this rating is self-claimed rather than assigned by an official classification body. There's also some ambiguity in the marketing. Some listings describe the property as adults only, while others reference child-friendly amenities, creating confusion about the actual guest policy. The room inventory and specific categories aren't detailed in verified sources, so any description of room types, layouts, or counts would be speculative. What's clear is that this is an all-inclusive resort, meaning your room rate bundles accommodations, meals, drinks, and access to facilities. The exact breakdown of room tiers, square footage, bedding configurations, and in-room amenities isn't available in the provided information. Without confirmed details on whether the property offers standard rooms, suites, swim-up access, or villas, it's impossible to compare the entry-level experience to upgraded categories. If you're considering booking, you'll need to contact the hotel directly or review third-party platforms not included in this data to understand what you're actually getting for your money. The absence of detailed room descriptions in official sources is a gap worth noting, especially for travelers who want to know whether they're looking at a basic hotel room with a bed and a bathroom or something more spacious with a balcony, sitting area, or upgraded fixtures. The all-inclusive model can be a great value if the room quality matches the dining and activity offerings, but without specifics, it's hard to assess whether the accommodations justify the package price. Dining options at Bahia Principe Luxury Esmeralda are part of the all-inclusive experience, but the provided information doesn't include a confirmed list of restaurants, bars, or specific culinary concepts. This is a significant omission because the quality and variety of food can make or break an all-inclusive stay. Without knowing how many restaurants are on site, what cuisines they serve, or whether reservations are required, it's difficult to paint an accurate picture of the dining experience. Some all-inclusive resorts offer half a dozen specialty restaurants ranging from Italian to Asian fusion, while others rely heavily on a single buffet with limited à la carte options. The difference is enormous. If you're someone who enjoys trying different flavors every night and values variety, you need to know upfront whether this property delivers on that front. Similarly, bar offerings can range from a handful of poolside spots serving watered-down cocktails to dedicated lounges with skilled bartenders and premium spirits. The absence of this information in verified sources means you're booking somewhat blind. If the hotel has a standout steakhouse where the kitchen dry ages beef in-house or a beachfront grill where fresh catch is prepared over open flame, that would be a major selling point. Conversely, if the dining is limited to a buffet with rotating themes and a single reservation-only restaurant, that sets a different expectation. Without specifics, the best advice is to research recent guest reviews on platforms like TripAdvisor or Booking.com to see what other travelers say about the food quality, service speed, and variety. All-inclusive dining can be fantastic when done well, but it can also feel repetitive and uninspired if the kitchen is churning out mass-produced meals with little attention to detail. The beach situation is one of the clearest pieces of information available. Bahia Principe Luxury Esmeralda offers access to Arena Gorda Sandy Beach, which is located less than a tenth of a kilometer from the property. This is about as close to beachfront as you can get without sleeping on the sand. The beach itself is shared with other Bahia Principe resorts in the area, so while the proximity is convenient, the experience isn't exclusive. Depending on the time of year and occupancy levels across the complex, the beach can feel busy. If you're someone who prefers a quieter, more intimate beach experience, this might not be the ideal setup. On the other hand, if you don't mind a lively atmosphere and appreciate the convenience of stepping out of the resort and onto the sand in under a minute, this works perfectly well. The beach is sandy, which is a plus, and the Caribbean waters here are generally warm and inviting. Whether the ocean is calm enough for swimming or prone to waves and currents isn't specified in the provided information, nor is there mention of lifeguards, beach palapas, or towel service. These details matter when you're planning how much time to spend on the sand versus by the pool. Cordacito Beach is also nearby, about 3 miles or roughly 5 kilometers away, offering another option if you want to explore beyond the immediate resort area. The presence of multiple beaches within a short distance gives you some flexibility, though transportation details and whether the hotel offers shuttle service to Cordacito Beach aren't confirmed. Pool facilities aren't described in the provided information, which is another gap. Pools are often a central feature of all-inclusive resorts, especially in the Caribbean where guests spend significant time lounging, swimming, and socializing in and around the water. Without knowing how many pools the property has, their sizes, whether there are swim-up bars, infinity edges, or dedicated quiet zones, it's hard to assess this part of the experience. Some resorts have expansive pool complexes with waterfalls, slides, and separate areas for families and adults, while others offer a single main pool that serves all guests. The difference in atmosphere and usability is significant. If you're someone who enjoys starting the day with a swim and spending afternoons with a drink at a swim-up bar, you want to know that infrastructure exists. Similarly, if you prefer a quieter pool experience away from music and activities, you need to confirm whether the property offers that option. The lack of detail here is frustrating because pools are often a deciding factor for travelers choosing between resorts. If the hotel has recently renovated its pool areas, upgraded loungers, or added new features, that would be worth highlighting. Without verified information, though, any description would be guesswork. Activities at Bahia Principe Luxury Esmeralda are part of the all-inclusive package, but the specific offerings aren't detailed in the provided information. This is another area where the lack of official data makes it difficult to give travelers a clear sense of what to expect. All-inclusive resorts typically offer a mix of water sports, fitness classes, entertainment, and organized excursions, but the quality and variety can vary widely. Some properties have dedicated activity coordinators who run everything from beach volleyball tournaments to salsa lessons, while others offer a more limited schedule. Without knowing whether this hotel provides kayaking, paddleboarding, snorkeling gear, tennis courts, or a fitness center, it's impossible to recommend it to travelers with specific interests. If you're someone who wants to stay active on vacation and try new things, you need to know what's available and whether equipment is included or requires an additional fee. The presence of Splash Water Park within a 20-minute walk, roughly 1.5 kilometers from the hotel, suggests there are family-friendly activities in the immediate area, though whether the hotel offers access or discounted tickets isn't confirmed. The water park proximity could be a draw for families with kids, assuming the hotel isn't strictly adults only, which remains unclear given the conflicting information in various listings. Spa and wellness facilities aren't described in the provided information, which is a significant omission for travelers who prioritize relaxation and self-care. Many all-inclusive resorts include a spa with treatment menus ranging from massages to facials, body wraps, and hydrotherapy. Some offer complimentary access to saunas, steam rooms, and relaxation lounges, while others charge for every service. Without knowing whether Bahia Principe Luxury Esmeralda has a spa, what treatments are available, or how pricing works, it's hard to assess this aspect of the experience. If you're someone who books a spa day as part of every vacation, you'll want to research this independently before committing. The quality of spa facilities can vary dramatically even within the same resort brand, so knowing whether the property has a dedicated spa building, trained therapists, and a comprehensive menu is important. Wellness programming, such as yoga classes, meditation sessions, or fitness workshops, is also not mentioned in the provided information. Some resorts have embraced wellness as a core offering, with sunrise yoga on the beach, guided nature walks, and healthy dining options, while others treat it as an afterthought. If wellness is a priority for you, this is another area where you'll need to dig deeper. The question of whether Bahia Principe Luxury Esmeralda is adults-only or family-friendly remains unresolved based on the provided information. Some listings describe the property as adults-only, while others reference child-friendly amenities, creating confusion. This is a critical distinction because the presence or absence of children fundamentally changes the atmosphere of a resort. Adults-only properties tend to be quieter, with a focus on relaxation, romantic dining, and evening entertainment geared toward couples. Family-friendly resorts, on the other hand, often feature kids' clubs, playgrounds, family pools, and activities designed to keep children entertained. Without clarity on this point, it's difficult to recommend the hotel to either demographic with confidence. If there's a kids' club, details such as age ranges, hours of operation, and whether supervision is included would be essential information. Similarly, if the property is truly adults only, that should be clearly stated so families don't book expecting amenities that don't exist. The ambiguity here is a real problem and suggests that potential guests should contact the hotel directly to confirm the policy before booking. Nearby attractions include Cordacito Beach, located about 3 miles or roughly 5 kilometers from the hotel, and Splash Water Park, a 20-minute walk or approximately 1.5 kilometers away. Punta Cana Airport is a 31-minute drive or about 25 kilometers, which is convenient for arrivals and departures but too far to be considered a nearby attraction. The beach proximity is a clear advantage, giving guests easy access to the Caribbean coastline without needing to arrange transportation. Cordacito Beach is known for its local vibe, with opportunities to interact with Dominican vendors, try fresh seafood, and experience a more authentic slice of coastal life compared to the resort-dominated stretches of Punta Cana. Whether the hotel offers shuttle service or organized excursions to Cordacito isn't confirmed, but the relatively short distance makes it feasible to visit independently if you're comfortable arranging your own transportation. Splash Water Park is a family-friendly option for guests traveling with children, offering slides, pools, and attractions designed to entertain younger visitors. The 20-minute walk is manageable for most families, though whether the hotel provides direct access, discounted tickets, or scheduled transport isn't specified. Beyond these immediate options, the broader Punta Cana and Bavaro area offers a range of activities, from ziplining and ATV tour to catamaran excursions and cultural experiences, but specific partnerships or packages tied to this hotel aren't detailed in the provided information. Keeping it real, the lack of verified information about this property is a significant concern. Most of the details typically used to evaluate a hotel, such as room types, dining options, pool facilities, spa services, and guest reviews, are either absent or unconfirmed in the sources provided. This makes it difficult to assess whether Bahia Principe Luxury Esmeralda offers good value, or whether it falls short compared to other all-inclusive resorts in the area. The ambiguity around whether the property is adults-only or family-friendly is particularly problematic, as it suggests inconsistent marketing or a lack of clear communication from the hotel itself. Additionally, the fact that the beach is shared with multiple other Bahia Principe properties means the experience is less exclusive than some travelers might expect. If you're someone who values privacy and a sense of seclusion, this setup may not meet your expectations. The absence of detailed guest reviews, ratings, or third-party platform data also means there's no independent verification of service quality, cleanliness, or overall guest satisfaction. While the property may well be excellent, the lack of transparency makes it harder to book with confidence. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.